This video is specifically for people that are attention money seekers. This is people that want to generate income on a monthly basis, recurrent income, but don't really want to do a lot of work for it. This is for people that want to generate 4 streams of income from the one funnel. This is a brand new system for 2021, and if you want to get on board with income stream 1, which gives you a recurring of $20 a month, income stream 2 can give you up to $2,000 commission, anything from $25 to $2,000 commission. Income stream 3 can give you another $20 a month, and income stream 4 can give you from anything from $80 commission up to $1,000, $2,000 and even $3,000 commission per sale. Now if this is something that you're interested about, let's jump down the stairs onto the laptop. Boom, back on the laptop. So what is the multiple income funnel, and what are the 4 streams of income that you can actually get and generate, and how successful can this actual funnel be? So obviously you come on here and you watch the video, you will have signed up, and congratulations video as you see here, which is step 1. Step 2 is setting up the income streams. What are the income streams? Well, the first income stream is actually the funnel that you're actually on. You can make up to $20 a month recurring just by signing up to this funnel and promoting it. You can make $20 a month. Then obviously the next one is easy one up. You can make up to $2,000 commission on that. I suggest that you go in anything from $500 to $1,000 just to make it a bit more affordable for yourself, and it sets up, and it's a good way to actually promote easy one up as well as this funnel. Next one is TechSpot. I've not signed up to that. You can earn $20 a month income from TechSpot. It costs you around about, I think it's $100 to actually sign up. You can make $20 per sign up from that. And then there's the Traffic Authority. So Traffic Authority is basically solo ads. Solo ads is one of the best ways to actually drive traffic to any business or any funnel like this. There's lots of ways you can do it. Try and do it through Facebook, try and do it through YouTube. You can buy traffic. It's the easiest way to do it. So buy some traffic, send it to it, and it basically does it automatically. So you can basically just set this up, spend a couple of $100s a month on sending traffic to it, and boom, Bob's your uncle, as they say, and you can generate incomes for that. So that's your 4 income streams. Now, if you join Easy One Up at the $1,000 level, I will also give you as a bonus, I'll give you a free YouTube marketing video course that I've done, and I've generated thousands of dollars, thousands of pounds off of YouTube over the years for my businesses. I'll give you that for free if you sign up at $1,000. So you also get, there's the traffic, the team, you've got the leaderboard, you've got resources. The resources section for this is really good as well. So obviously you've got your email swipes, you've got banners that you could stick on your blog if you've got a blog, and then you've got your social media images that you can stick on social media. Now do not go posting your link on social media because it'll just get banned. You know, it's one of the things that people, if you get thousands of people promoting the one offer, Facebook will just automatically, they'll see that there's a lot of traffic and they'll see it as spam, so they will end up banning your links and there's done for you posts. Now, you've also got email sites. If you have an email list, that gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days worth of emails that you can send out, which is pretty much fantastic. So if you want to jump on board, if you click the link that's directly under this video, it is a short and sweet demo of the multiple income funnel. If you want to join multiple income funnel, click the link that's directly below this video. There's also the Facebook group that you can join. Let's make some money together. I shall see you on my next video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's Barry for Barry Livingston's Digital Supremacy Lifestyle. Check it out.